I'm Zachary Lawrence Sansbury. I'm the MD of Armitage Group Limited. We've been in business since 1994. We have a 5-divisional basis of our business, dealing in different areas of electronics and electrical work. A fire protection division. We have teams that deal in intelligent transport systems and tunnelling. We have monitoring of those systems and security. We have roughly 90 odd people, with roughly a third of those in an office based and the remainder in the field. My starting up of a company that then became part of the Armitage Group latterly led me to be a divisional manager therefore within Armitage. My late father was the MD of Armitage. He founded it in 1994, and I guess it would be fair to say that the Armitage reflected him. We implemented simPRO in 2011, so it's been quite a while now. We now use it across all areas of the business. Flexibility was key because the areas were quite diverse, the requirements were quite diverse. I cannot imagine one system having evolved with the greater diversity of business that we've undertaken in the 7 years that we've had simPRO, supporting all of those areas equally. We had an approach, I don't know whether it was instigated by simPRO or our own internal culture of how we train, and that was to set up what we call fonts within the organisation, key people that have a greater depth of information on board that can then do over-the-shoulder training to individuals. We're at a time now where, very recently in fact, discussing it yesterday, about getting greater official training, simPRO training in-house for us to implement some of our plans in our service and construction teams, getting more information from the field. Our fire compliance planned maintenance team would require at least one other FTE here if we did not have simPRO. So that's why it's a very cost-effective option for us. There's no HR required, for instance, in simPRO, but it allows the guys to be quite autonomous in an ever-changing world. Auckland's transportation issues, time taken to get to projects now, to sites, and if you're hitting those sites in a 10-15 minute period, the travel component is a far larger portion. And therefore it gives us the flexibility for guys to start extraordinarily early or start late and finish late. They're not needing to come back in here to seek direction and gain paperwork. So it has a massive bearing, particularly on that side of the business. It's a central element of every part of our job management. It has provided me with certainty that what I then push on to clients, to the bank, to the accountant, is a true reflection of what is being implemented in the field. Certainly spend time with my partner on our property north of Auckland, peace and quiet and birdsong, and our chickens and the like. I'm also, I can't say it's my one vice, but I'm a car nut. So whether it's driving on a infrequent sunny Sunday or racing occasionally, that's certainly my greatest passion. I cannot imagine the company functioning under one system if we hadn't approached simPRO.